Recently, Runway ML has launched their Gen 3 Alpha model, which opens up a lot of possibilities to create hyper realistic AI videos, which can be used to create YouTube shorts or produce an entire short film. So, I wanted to create a website where we integrate Runway ML's API so that we could create video from just using text. As usual, I looked through Dribble for design inspiration and I finally found this design to create my website. We will be using GPT Rush as our AI copilot. Now we will provide our usual prompt where we ask GPT Rush to generate a page which should look as close to the screenshot possible. We also specify that the code should be in React.js and to provide the required CSS that matches the style of the screenshot. Now let's upload the design screenshot to GPT Rush. So let's see how it goes. So we have gotten our initial website that is looking similar to the screenshot that we provided, but I could see there are few improvements that is required. So let's ask GPT Rush to do that. We are asking the AI to beautify this buttons, and we are also going to provide uh, the current UI's screenshot so that it could understand how the UI looks like and it act as a feedback loop. So let's go ahead and provide that screenshot now. So let's see. So yeah, the GPT Rush has actually made the UI much better right now. The buttons UI is fixed. Even the sidebar fonts are fixed. So it is looking good right now. And now it's time to add functionality to our website. This is a prompt that we will be asking GPT Rush. So firstly, we'll ask it to add a video player that plays MP4 from video URL. And then we ask that once the user clicks the generate button, fetch the user prompt from text area and send post request. We also add all the API details like the URL, the payload, the headers, etc. So yeah, now let's check it out. Okay, we have gotten the code. So if we check the code, it has given all the required dependencies. And also, I've actually forgot to mention that we need to set an interval to check the status. But GPT Rush has actually gone ahead and itself had set 5 seconds as an interval to check the status. So that was smart enough from the AI. So now for prompting, Runway ML has itself has actually given some prompting tips actually, where we have to add few keywords in it to get a better quality video, like adding masterpiece, camera angles, lens types, and all those things. And I also found a blog which contains some prompt examples with the video actually, and I felt we can try out this prompt actually. This video was looking nice, so we'll be trying out this exact prompt. So yeah, it's the demo time. Let's check it out. So I think Runway ML takes couple of minutes to generate our video, and initially it has some queuing process also. So yeah, let's wait for the video to get generated. Okay, it has generated the video. Play it once again, and we could see there are some cloud motions and some camera movement, but it is very slow actually. We could improve it by prompting it to have a fast camera movement. So yeah, with just couple of prompts, we were able to generate a good UI and then integrate with Runway ML to generate videos. Now we can further add more functionality to this website, say by adding an AI to generate an entire script and then create a YouTube shorts out of it. But that's for another video. Thanks a lot for watching the video till the end. Do check out gptrush.io, an AI vision powered platform where you could build your dream websites in minutes. And do subscribe to our channel for more startup updates. And to discuss more, feel free to join our Discord server. Link is in the description below.